Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Roblox lag easy and quick. First, click here and type view advanced system settings, performance, click settings, and then once you're here, go to adjust for best performance and then enable these three options, or you can just make it like that and click apply. After that, just go back and now type background apps. Turn off this option, you will find it like that, turn it off, and then go here and after that type game mode settings, turn on this option and then go to game bar, turn it off, go to graphics settings. If you have this option here that makes you overclock your GPU, just you can't, if you want to take the risk, turn it on, but you have to turn it off later if you don't need it. So turn it on, and of course you have to restart your PC after turn it on. And now just go back and go ahead and try again, and I hope that can help you. And if that also doesn't help you, right click on your desktop and then you will find here NVIDIA control panel if you are using NVIDIA graphics card, and then wait a few seconds and it will pop up this window, and after that click use my preference, move it to performance, and then click apply, and now just go back. I hope that can help you. Don't forget to like. See you in the next video.